So you've got an FHA loan and you want to know a little bit about the face-to-face requirements of that loan. I'm attorney Ali Kassahoun of Tropic Legal, and I get asked this all the time. An FHA loan is a mortgage issued by an FHA approved lender and insured by the Federal Housing Administration. They're designed for low to moderate income borrowers. FHA loans require lower minimum down payments and credit scores than many conventional loans. Florida banks are subject to federal regulation 24 CFR section 203.604 when it comes to FHA foreclosures. That regulation protects borrowers facing foreclosure by requiring banks to have a face-to-face interview with the borrower as another condition precedent to foreclosure. The lender must show that it complied with the federal regulation by either meeting with the borrower for a face-to-face interview or making a reasonable effort to have a face-to-face meeting before 3 full monthly mortgage payments go unpaid. A face-to-face meeting is not required if 1. The mortgagor does not reside in the mortgaged property, 2. The mortgaged property is not within 200 miles of the mortgagee, its servicer, or a branch office of either, 3. The mortgagor has clearly indicated that he will not cooperate in the interview, 4. A repayment plan consistent with the mortgagor's circumstances is entered into to bring the mortgagor's account current, thus making a meeting unnecessary and payments thereunder are current, or 5. A reasonable effort to arrange a meeting is unsuccessful. A reasonable effort to arrange a face-to-face meeting with the mortgagor shall consist at the minimum of 1 letter sent to the mortgagor certified by the Postal Service as having been dispatched. Such a reasonable effort to arrange a face-to-face meeting shall also include at least 1 trip to see the mortgagor at the mortgaged property, unless the mortgaged property is more than 200 miles from the mortgagee, its servicer, or a branch office of either, or it is known that the mortgagor is not residing in the mortgaged property. So now you know a little bit about the face-to-face requirements of an FHA loan. I'm attorney Ali Kassahoun of Tropic Legal. Thanks for tuning in.